found out how to fix my phone. See? You take off the case. Okay. And then you have to pop out the battery. Oh! Okay. And then just go like... Oh! There's the battery. Okay. Yeah, we have about 5,000 pieces of... We have about 5,000 pieces of stuff here. Alright, so then I'm going to replace the battery inside the device. Alright. It's broken. Where is the... Ow! Ow! I see, okay. And turn on my cheap device. I never heard the vibration. Why isn't it turning on? Galaxy S3. The most cheapest and stupidest device from the cheapest and stupidest company. A 1, a 2, a 3, 2, 4. Alright, bye.